Next! Come closer. What is your name?
I'm a privileged one, comedian.
So what led to your death?
I don't really know wetin bring me come here. But na Nigeria for the come. The problem for that country too much.
So you don't know the particular problem that led to your death?
I don't know, but that one not be problem again because I don't come out for the. I not there again now. My problem now be say I wan see the angel wey drop me for that country.
You want to see what?
I want to see the angel that drop me in Nigeria. You know the hear word? Come, not stress me with my messenger. I say for Bible, angels are my messenger. Not call they stress me with questions.
Okay, let's forget the angel that dropped you in Nigeria. What are the problems that you said are too much in Nigeria?
You know, see as we dey talk so now, Benin City, it be like war zone. People no dey fit sit down for their house again. People no dey fit waka for street again. Everybody, okay, just yesterday, one man dey report to us say they rob them. As they dey complain for us say they rob them, another people come rob the man again. Problem too much on the country. Injust fight. Injust dey fight. They kill themselves. They kill people.
What is injust?
You don't know the meaning of injust. Injust, people wey dey do things secretly.
Injust. Everybody does things secretly. What is injust?
Injust na those people. Na so they come our area, they sit down on top motor. They holla, no level, we go kick tire. No level. The day they now they kill up and down. Police now wey even suppose help us. Police they keep us malice now. So you don't know the meaning of injust.
Police they keep malice with you now.
Police they keep us malice now as we dey talk so. They keep the citizens of the country malice. Say because we come and do peaceful protest, say make them end police brutality. The country tire me, I don't really know wetin kill me. This same country, as we dey talk now, government wey even suppose help us, they busy, they trace account wey they wan freeze. Say anybody wey involved for the peaceful protest, they freeze their account. Which they hear one boy every pay himself with 1 million, whether na Romusale be name. Just for us to come out for peaceful protest. Which kind of country be that? I want to see the angel. Today I'll die here again.
This is your country problem, anyhow.
No, sit down, make they listen, sit down. Wait to devil. This same country, once you just greet girl, hello, good morning, they will tell you say tomorrow na their birthday.
Wow.
Problem too much. We can no longer have one-on-one relationship with women. Now they don't turn us to bullion fund, to central bank. Hello, good morning. They go dey list their problem. My father is sick. My mother want to pay for her shop. I want to pay for my house rent.
But now your country, I hear say that they find one a straight bone and be now they call it weavon.
Bone straight. I know that one.
Yeah.
Why you not go know? I not going to
that one is from our kingdom. Bone straight hair. Now here they reach.
Which one is born straight here?
I not concern you.
This same country. Oh my God. This same country. Now the only country for the world wey be say you dey as a citizen, you go dey pray to go another country. Police wey dey keep us malice so they don drop budget for National Assembly say the money wey dem need to take fuel their vehicle and their bikes next year na 24.8 billion.
Jesus!
Na lie.
Hello.
Problem many. I just dey start.
Come on there.
How much?
How much it be?
24.8 billion just to buy fuel.
Na lie. How much? The full hair fire. Full hair fire. How much you take to buy fuel when they use? For 10 years now, we never even use 4 million naira fuel finish. Oh. And never use 20-something million naira pay fuel back. You know what?
The same police when you call them, they will tell you say they not get fuel for motor.
Wait,
no.
This is your country. Police supposed to use money buy fuel. Be make government provide one filling station where they go they collect fuel. Are they supposed to be buying fuel?
No, that filling station will not work.
They don't see Western World say that they go one filling station go they collect fuel.
NJ be wetin be your name. This same country, nice citizens they gather money, they do road. This same country, citizens they gather money, they buy transformer, they'll see pay NEPA to coffee am.
Transformer, pay NEPA to coffee am.
I don't know. This NJ wey drop me, no even see any country. He said na Nigeria, now he drop me. One of the problems that kill me now, I don't even know the one wey kill me. So pastors, they dey one side, they call the poor people broke ass nigger, low life people. The pastors who are sent to go preach the word, they insult us now. Some of them they even knock their member, they knock them.
I bet not verse. They knock wood. Hello.
They fornicate with them.
Ow! Those are my children. Sorry, your children.
Okay, the youth wey be say government don fail. Now that they use their head, that they struggle to make sure say they earn living, they no let the rest. Once they look fresh, they spray good perfume, they go dey answer where they see money buy am. They want mail, of course. Mail of course just look tattered. Now we come carry out peaceful protest, say may they bring an end to those things. Now that they arrest people up and down now. You dey understand the problem why they explain so? All the leaders wey dey that country, na devil dey use all of them.
Ah! No try am. No bring that lekon here at all. I don't take am. Even my oga when they give the power, till now we dey under them. Now that they use us. Who you say devil they use? Leaders when be say people when be say now we even now devil they give the power before, but now that they even tell us what to do. We dey even take permission from them before we even send bad things may go happen.
You know, say ordinary food wey they provide during COVID-19, say make they give people, make they eat. This our leaders for that side, they keep am. They say they want to do their birthday.
Wow.
Hunger call they keep people. Whether na hunger criminal, I don't even know.
It's no problem.
No, sit down. The reason why una drop me for that country, if you not tell me here, I go kick this laptop.
Yeah.
Where they worry you? You are my messenger. Sit down there. Now use me play. The Nigeria don't concern me again now. I don't reach here. The problem now be say I want to see the angel will bring me here or will die.
My friend, keep quiet.
Okay, no.
You don't talk. If like this guy don't know me. See, not try him. No, even. If like you don't know, this guy don't know. Say I know they take no. Oh no, you not tell her who I be. See, before my guy come back for revival, Allah. If your ear not bring blood, I not be devil. Not try him.
Country where be say some part of people where they call ASU now that they regulate the school body. Those ones now they don't strike. You know they go 1 year now. I want to know whether now they in charge of thunder for this heaven, because the way they carry strike for head, I don't understand.
Okay, that Nigeria, you're talking about Nigeria, right?
Sit down, no. Do you know what they even a trend for the country now? As we end SARS, onions and tomatoes carry on for head. Now they trend now. They just there. Poor man, not the fit buy now.
But wait, the way this guy body dey hot, you don't feel enter my kid, I beg you will consider him. May enter your side, I beg.
How much is onions?
No. Onions? Now you dey talk small. One onions now, 200 naira. And that's so small.
Jesus.
Sit down. You know they eat now. If you dey eat, you will know wetin we dey go through there. Sit down. You be angel.
Right.
Sit down. Problem too much. Fuel, they no dey fit buy. So they talk now, sun dey shine. No light. NEPA will still collect money for darkness.
Which part of Nigeria are you from?
Nigeria now. How many times you want me to talk?
But rumor goes around that Nigeria supply Ghana light.
No, not be lie now. All these things why they explain so. Not be say they not dey the country. They dey. They hide them.
Okay, when they give people what you not even.
They give other country light, but we not get because now they import generator.
Wow.
So because they give us light, they not cost a generator again. Fuel cost cheap. Then they like to give the people fire for fire, aship. Wicked people. No, sit down. You won't hear. You're here today will bring blood. Never say anything. Next time when they will say go and job somebody in Nigeria, if you see the country, you go back the country. Never say anything. They here. If not, you know rest. Pikin wey say make mama no sleep. Where the angel wey drop me there, I wan see her now.
Let me tap your name again. Let me confirm the
My
name.
name na privilege son, na comedian be.
You are not privileged at all. You can't bring problem to this problem when this guy brings a big past my kingdom. Who they fight them na the case? I say shut up.
Privilege song.
Settle this guy.
Oh, I was the one that dropped you in Nigeria.
Oh, now you drop me.
No.
Now you drop me.
Calm down.
Now you drop him.
Let me drop him. But when I dey go drop, because I was told to drop him in Africa. As I was going to Africa, I saw a land that was very green with all manners of resources. You have cocoa, you have oil, you have tin, you have gold.
Wow.
There is no resources you want to talk about in the world that is not in that country.
E be like say you deaf. You know here with the last thing wey I tell you just now. I said these things dey the country. They hide them.
But wait, to be like this guy not get respect.
No, I know what he's saying because they are supposed to use these things to maintain the country.
The oil wey they talk about so our leader na dey drink am. Now they take the bath.
You know say when they talk within the country, I just have to put down they look you. The people when squander this thing, go see them. Go see them for my kingdom. You see that one belle swell up. That one sit down for that side where they scratch body. You see that man? Now that one kill that country. Go see for them. All these things we mention. No one did the country again, sorry.
Listen, oh, you know say not be all states get the oil. The state wey get the oil, they carry the money from the state. Go another state wey not get the oil.
Exactly.
They enjoy the money for there.
Exactly.
Then the state wey get the oil, they cannot boast of good road, no light, nothing. They are suffering. Mosquito they kill them. You see the country where you go put me. You say even the country they are blessed with manpower. Abi, yes. Even the manpower, our elders not they let the youths here. Not the youth supposed to use manpower. Then they sell and give us.
Anyway, Angel. This thing we not go argue and take. You know, the person went already faint. Not the strength to death. This guy already experienced suffer. Made deal with me. Mogo. No need to judge. Go.
You can go to her. Young man. Young man. Wait at the reception. I need to. Your wait there. Your case is somehow. Stay there.
Yes, so.
But wait.
If that okay, since you say now, now you drop me for Nigeria.
Yes.
I want to see God. I want to see God.
Come close. You say what?
I said I want to see God.
My friend, you not gonna shut up because you keep you quiet. You want to see who? See, man, I tell you. You know, say this your pasha. I know they like him because this thing involve you now. You don't want to give me. Now you don't tell me stay the session. If I come back, I mean say you pity this guy. After this insult and misbehavior, you pity him, put him for your paradise, or you say, "May go back." There will be war.
If you get the way God go do one, if not to carry me go another country, make peace for rain, because I want to see God.
Wait at the reception.
I dare you, they wait.